Hello friends, Winjix is an interface software for crystallography. In Winjix, importing data typically involve loading single crystal X-ray diffraction data in a format compatible with the software suite. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to import and prepare your data for structure solution and refinement in WinGX. Format of input data WinGX generally works with data files generated from X-ray diffractions experiment. The most commonly used format for diffraction data is the HKL file, which includes reflections, indices, HKL, intensities, and other relevant data. Other essential files may include CIF, crystallographic information file, or RES files used in SELEX. Launch Winjix. Start with Winjix and open your project. Winjix is designed to handle and manage multiple files, so make sure to start a new project if needed. My friend, import HKL file to import your data. Go to File, Import and select your HKL file. If your data is not already in the correct format, WinGX has tools for the converting various files types to the your required HKL format. Once the HKL file is loaded, WinGX will display the reflections data including intensities and indices and configure data parameters. After loading your data, configure parameters such as wavelength and crystal symmetry if they are not automatically detected. Set up any necessary corrections such as absorption corrections which can be applied later in the data processing stage. Check for completeness. Ensure that data is complete and includes all the reflections necessary for accurate structure solution. If some reflections are missing, data may need to be recollected or interpolated based on symmetry. Initial data reductions once the HTML file is loaded. Perform any required data reductions step to correct for experimental artifacts and prepare the data for structure solution. And these steps includes scaling and merging. Combine symmetry equivalent reflections to improve data accuracy. Absorption correction correct for differences in absorption across the crystal. Save and continue. After preparing and verifying your data, save the project. You are now ready to move on to the structure solution and refinement. Additional tips. Winjix has a variety of tools for importing and converting different file types to HKL, CIF, or RES format. If your data need adjustment, double check the symmetry and space group before proceeding with the structure solution, as this can affect the outcome of refinement. This process readies your data for a structure solution and refinement, which you can proceed with the using integrated tools in WinGix like Cell XT for initial solution and Cell XL for refinement.